Hi, today I'm for the HONOR Magic5 Lite and I will show you how to change screen recorder sound settings on this device. So open first the control panel and find the screen recorder icon. Before starting your screen recording, just tap on it and you will see here that, the microphone icon. Just to use microphone, tap on it. Now it's in a blue color, so that means that you could command something, it's work. When you click on the microphone once again, you will see here the cross microphone, so this means that you will record the mute videos. To just stop recording, click here and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.